Hello friends and welcome back to 5K Account Challenge. This is week 5. Right now the time is 8 a.m. in the morning, 19th October 2024. Now coming back to the results are on your screen. The balance remains the same from last week. So as I have told you before in the last video that we will not be taking new trades until the negative balance comes down. I guess last week our balance was $1,650 in minus, and right now is 1969.45 in minus. Okay, so last week whatever I predicted, and then before that week whatever I predicted, it's spot on. And if you want to see those videos, you can go to my channel TubeCore, go to the shell TubeCore, and then go to playlist, and then watch this whole series of 5K public account challenge. I have uploaded 5-6 videos so far. Okay. So again, the system is all about automation. I'm touching nothing, because if I wanted, because understand, if you watch my last 2 videos, week 3 and week 4, I have clearly predicted what's gonna happen. It's just that I was not supposed to touch this account because it's working on a software, and I have taken the oath, you can say, that I will not touch this account manually at all. Okay, whatever happens, let it happen, let it run. And let's see what happens. Okay, so we started with $5,000, then we made this much profit, and now we are in negative this much. Okay, and this week we took no trades. As I told you last week, as long as this negative balance doesn't come down, we will not take more trades. The software will not take more trades, so there was nothing this week. And this could happen. I mean, the situation could be the same next week as well. This negative balance might increase. I have told you multiple times. I'm expecting this minus balance go even up to minus $3,000, which I'm fine with. Okay, because we are not losing this money. It's only the open trades which are negative. Once the graph comes in our favor, everything will be back to normal. Okay, so whatever happens this week, I will update you on next Sunday. And most probably we will see no trades this coming week as well. But I could be wrong, only the time will tell. And keep following the series, okay? Because remember one thing here, I'm not going to make you rich in just 2 weeks. This is a long-term goal. And let's say if this automated system even makes you $500, $1,000 in 1 month, 2 months by doing nothing, what's wrong? You know, if you keep $5,000 in your savings account, you make nothing. But if you keep $5,000 in this system, automated system, and in 2 months you can make $1,000, you have nothing to lose, right? Anyway, so we will talk about this when we come next week, then next week. And again, as I said, at least follow this series for 3 months, and then you will know what's going on. And this is the week 5. So we have officially ended the first week of the second month, you can say, because 4 weeks means 1 month. This is the 5th week which has ended. So we have ended the first week of the second month. Keep following the series, and this is going to be exciting. If you want to know more about this, then you can go below my YouTube video and click on the first link. It says make money on autopilot. Click on this link and then follow the prompts, watch the videos, understand everything, what this method is all about. And if you wish to join, you can always contact me on a Skype, which is right here, or email me, whatever. Okay, so yeah, I guess we'll see you next week.